Are you looking for the best camping stoves for all your outdoor adventures? In this video we will look at some of the camping stoves for all your outdoor adventures fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Coleman Gas Camping Grill / Stove. Cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner on a dependable stove that packs up easily with the Coleman Classic Propane Gas Camping Stove. The two burners put out 20,000 total BTUs of grilling power and are shielded from the wind by adjustable wind-blocking panels. Rest assured, your stove will perform consistently even in extreme conditions thanks to the pressure regulator. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. It facilitates a more complete fuel combustion process, delivering more effective cooking heat to your food with less fuel. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. A rotating dial lets you control burners for precise temperature control. At number 2. Odolans 3500W Windproof Camp Stove. This option is equipped with two kinds of connectors, perfect for different gas tanks. It works with a variety of fuels, including propane or butane propane mixed fuel canisters. Plus, it has a wind protection design. A rotating dial lets you control burners for precise temperature control. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. It facilitates a more complete fuel combustion process, delivering more effective cooking heat to your food with less fuel. A grease tray collects the grease drippings from cooking and is removable for mess-proof disposal. It securely latches lid closed for safe and easy transport. Sauté veggies while simultaneously grilling chicken with the 2-in-1 Coleman Tabletop Propane Camping Grill / Stove, 2-burner. The stove surface fits a 10-inch pan, and the 130-square-inch grill area leaves plenty of room for grilling. All of this in one compact design that sets up easily at the campsite, tailgate, or wherever outdoor adventures take you. At number 3. Odolans 3500W Windproof Camp Stove. This option is equipped with two kinds of connectors, perfect for different gas tanks. It works with a variety of fuels, including propane or butane propane mixed fuel canisters. Plus, it has a wind protection design compatible with any 7/16-thread single propane /butane propane mixed fuel canisters, EN 417. Attention, when screwing on the canister, please turn off the valve by turning the valve completely to the right and operate quickly. Check if the canister is at a level surface to avoid leaking gas. It's normal of slightly leaking gas when screwing on the canister. Before ignition, turn on the valve by turning the valve to the left, adjust the valve and push the piezo ignition button at the same time to ignite. Turn off the valve by turning the valve completely to the right before screw off the canister. At number 4. Coleman Temp 3-burner propane stove. This propane stove comes with a whopping 3 burners so you can cook multiple things at once. It also includes a high-altitude pressure regulator. The racetrack design provides even heating throughout, eliminating hot spots. Matchless ignition technology uses an electric spark to light burners with the push of a button, so there's no need to pack matches or a lighter. They provide stability so it's easier to stir pots and pans. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. At number 5. Gas One Dual Fuel Portable Camping Gas Stove. Whether you want to work with propane or butane, this straightforward one-burner stove will get the job done. It's highly compact and has safety features so you don't have to worry about working with the dual fuel system. Who doesn't like having options? No one likes to be forced into making a decision against their will. Why choose between one thing or another when you can have the option to choose both? In the spirit of having options, we've come up with the GS 3400p portable dual fuel stove, the first of the dual series line and most certainly not the last. Including a repurposed regulator suited for both propane and butane, never think twice about not having options. Installed system that shuts off gas flow is irregular flow /pressure, 5 to 7 kgf centimeter squared or greater, is detected. Installed system that ejects the butane fuel canister if irregular gas flow /pressure, 5 to 7 kg centimeter squared or greater, is detected contains a modified built-in regulator that allows stove to be used with both 8 ounces butane canister or 16.4 ounces propane tank. Reward the experience of cooking outdoors by introducing the GS 3400p. The GS 3400p is the perfect portable stove that is perfect for any outdoor cooking and camping occasion. It is safe and easy to use. Designed with safety functions like the cartridge ejection device and the flame supervision system, the GS 3400p ensures safety and convenience.